don't stop.
Ciao! Today I'm going to make a very delicious Italian spaghetti. This is one of our favorite seafood spaghetti, and I would like to share how I do my allos bianco. Hope you like it, guys, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell to update on my next video. Alright, let's begin cooking by adding the olive oil. So just make sure you don't skip these ingredients because this is a must in this recipe. Alright, a garlic and some onions. Now let's add the cherry tomato. In this recipe, you can use fresh seafood like clams and mussels, but since I don't have it in my refrigerator, I'm using a mixed frozen seafoods. So just make sure you don't overcook the meat. This is a very easy, delicious seafood spaghetti. Now I'm going to add the parsley.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Here's another ingredients that we don't skip, the white wine vinegar.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
And salt and pepper. Now I'm going to add more olive oil on it because in a minute I'm going to add the pasta spaghetti. And it's ready. That's how easy it is. Allo scoglio bianco. By the way, I've added some jalapenos as well on it. And yeah, we're ready to go and eat our seafood spaghetti. Delicious. Thank you for watching.